Hello, friends. This is the McGuffey Eclectic Primer, Lesson 5. In this lesson, we're going to see capitalize or uppercase. That means that all the words will be large. And we'll also see lowercase. That means that the letters will be smaller. This word is capitalized. Cap. Say cap. This word is lowercase. Cap. Say cap. This is capitalized. Fox. Say fox. This word is lowercase. Fox. Say fox. This word is capitalized. Jug. Say jug. This word is lowercase. Jug. Say jug. This word is capitalized. Ape. Say ape. This word is lowercase. Ape. Say ape. This word is capitalized. Cow. Say cow. This word is lowercase. Cow. Say cow. This word is capitalized. Hog. Say hog. This word is lowercase. Hog. Say hog.